Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in perspective drawing series. So in this video we're going to learn how to draw organic shapes such as the Pringle over here in two-point perspective. We're going to start designing this Pringle in a simple two-dimensional boxes, and we're going to learn how to take these two-dimensional projections onto a two-point perspective sketch. So let's get started. Alright, so this is how we are going to begin. So first step is to just draw simple boxes of how your Pringle is going to look in the side view and the front view. So when you take the side view of the Pringle, it's going to look something like this, which I've already drawn over here. And when you move to the front view, it's going to look something like this. Remember to keep your lines as light and as loose as possible in this stage. So this is going to be your side view and this is going to be your front view, right? So once you have established the proportions of your Pringle in the orthographic views, now it's time to draw a box in two-point perspective. If you haven't seen my video on how to draw one of these boxes in a very simple and easy way, make sure to check out the video first. We have box here, so this is the front view, so and so, and it should be slightly more than the width of the front view over here. So I think this much is good. So drop in a vertical over here. Then let's see, it should go like this, intersect here, then drop another vertical. Perfect. Alright, so we have a box in two-point perspective over here. I hope you can see these light lines. Great. Now first let us take our front view and translate into our perspective sketch over here. So it looks something like this. Again, keep these lines nice and simple. The objective of this tutorial or this exercise is to find the right proportions and draw organic shapes in perspective, not to draw pretty looking drawings. Okay, now we have the front view over here. Now let us go ahead and draw the side view over here. Nice and easy. Okay, and let us do the same on the far side as well. Okay, once we have this, let us connect these curves in an organic fashion. So it goes something like this. Come here and join this organically. Yeah, and it curves in over here and hits it here. Alright, that's it. So this is beginning to look like a Pringle. Now to just make the sketch pop out of our page, what we're going to do is just take a heavy marker and then just go over the outline. And just to make things a bit clear, let us draw the same Pringle upside down. As usual, we're going to begin by drawing boxes in orthographic view. Okay, so here our Pringle was facing down like this. Now let us do the opposite way. and the side view it is facing up. And in the front view it should be the other way around. Now let us draw the box again. Okay, now we have the box over here. So I'm going to take the side view first and I'm going to translate to this 2-point perspective box that we have drawn over here. Great, and now I'm going to draw the front view. Okay, so now it is time to make the transition. So we'll go like this, nice and smooth. And let us join this. See how this motion is going to be. It goes here, comes over here, goes like this, turns here, and then again continues the motion. Remember that in a organic shape there won't be any straight lines or hard edges. If you have that, the sketch is basically ruined. So now I'm going to again take my black marker and I'm going to go over the outline of our sketch. Practice drawing these things over and over and over again. So what you're going to learn from making these sketches are the following. First step is that you're going to draw nice and smooth lines over here. That's first thing. Second, you will establish the proportions of a sketch, which is very important. The third thing is that you will get an ability to draw these boxes in 2-point perspective without using any kind of grid lines. The fourth thing is that you will be able to translate any kind of line from a side view into a perspective sketch. Trust me, any kind of line. There's no further kind of techniques that you would need to make these organic drawings. Once you master drawing such Pringles and maybe some other shapes, you can literally translate anything from a 2D sketch to a perspective sketch. So I'll just give a few little details to our Pringle over here. Since this is curving down, this is going to be a shadow area, this is going to be under shadow, and a nice shadow at the bottom of our page. So I'm going to use a marker here, a C7 marker. I'm not that good in markers actually. Okay, our shadow code is done, and this also will be under shadow. Then I'm going to take my C3 marker over here and I will cover this portion. And maybe over here as well. Right, there you have a Pringle. Remember to practice these exercises over and over again until you perfect it. I think that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys understood and learned something from this one. If you did, please like this video share it with your like-minded friends, and please subscribe to my channel. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you next year. Bye bye. Take care everyone. Stay safe. See you.